Hello guys, I'm gonna tell you best joystick for Pokemon Go. First of all, please subscribe our channel for more fun and hit the bell icon. Now go to the Google, search for Aptoid APK. Download the APK here. Click on download, select. I have already downloaded, so I'm not gonna install it. After the complete of download, open Aptoid. Search for fake GPS Go. Choose the first one and download it. Here will be the download option and you can go and open it. Before opening it, please go on setting and click on more. No, click on about phone and more and click 7 times to build number. You will become developer. Then go on developer option and select mock location fake GPS Go. Then open the app. Choose your wanted location. Then click on start. It will be start. Now I'm gonna show the playing gameplay.